Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this is going to be a video series. And in this, we are going to build a social media application using .NET MAUI XAML for the mobile app, Android and iOS app. And for the backend side, we are going to use ASP.NET Core Minimal API with .NET 9. And we are going to have real-time updates as well in this application. And for that, we are going to use SignalR. Okay. And then on the UI side, we are going to use XAML with MVVM, and we are going to use Sync Fusion image editor controls for cropping the profile photo functionality. All right. So this is going to be a complete full stack application which will have all these features which I'm going to demo you right now. So I have this app on this Android emulator. Then this is left one is my physical device where I'm just installing it. When we first install the app, it shows us this onboarding page. It will be displayed only for the first time. After that, it is never going to be here. All right. Then when we go inside the app, we have this login screen, and we have register page as well to create a new user. Here we have photo selection, name, email, password. If we try to do register, we have all fields are required. That means we have validation as well. Now when we say choose photo, we have two options: pick from device or capture photo. With capture photo, we can directly capture photo from our camera. See, it is going to ask us for these permissions. So we'll say yes, allow the permissions, and we can select our photo. Then we have both of these options. We can close or choose this photo. When we'll choose this photo, it is going to lead us to this screen where we have this image cropping functionality. We have this circular crop so that we can select our face. We can accept these changes, and now we see this image. And for the second option, that pick from device, here it will go to the actual device gallery, and from here you can choose any photo. Let me select this one, and let's select this pepper image. We'll say select this, accept, and let's create a new user account. We'll say Miss Pepper, and we are going to have pepper at gmail.com for the username, email, and the password. We are going to have very strong password, hard to guess, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So register. Now we can see activity indicator, and then we have this toast registered successfully, and we are back to login page. Now we can log in with the same account. We'll say pepper at gmail.com, and let's try to add incorrect password. If we say login now, we have invalid credentials. Now let's fix the password. Now if we log in, we should be able to log in, and this is our main home screen where we have all these posts. Okay, images are taking time to load, but we are good. We can see now on this screen we have endless scrolling, so we'll keep on scrolling down, and it is going to keep on downloading or fetching the next set of posts from the API. So if we keep on going, we have this activity indicator, and this is the last post we have from all these users. Now these posts, we have three different type of posts. So first one, if you see this one, we have image with text. The second one, again image with text, and then we have third one which is just text only. But if you see the UI, all these things are part of a single collection view. So we have dynamic data template selectors for this. Then we have this third one, strawberry. Here we have just image, we don't have the text content. So these are three different templates we are using here, using data template selector, dynamically switching the UI on the basis of individual item from the collection view. Okay, and with each post we have user photo, and when this post was posted, then the text, Then we have like, comment, save and share, these four options. If we say like, we can see activity indicator, and then this image got changed because we have liked this post. And on right side, if you see, we have this quick black indicator. If I go to this, we have this notifications. If we go back now, pay attention to this thing again. Now this left post, this is from Abhay Prince user, and this right side, this user is Abhay Prince only. All right, we have a notifications page. Now if I save this notification, this post, you see instantly we have this indication that something has changed. So we have this notification. If we tap on it, on the top we can see Miss Paper saved your post. So when we do this on one device using SignalR, we notify other device that something has changed on this thing. All right, then we can simply open up the post. So here I'm opening this post, and here on emulator I'm opening this post. So these are details page where we have post information, we have all these like, save, etc., and we have this comments section. And here on the right side, if you see, we have these two buttons, edit and delete. But on this left physical device, those options are not here. That's because user would be able to delete or edit his or her own post. So right screen, Abhay Prince user is logged in, and this post is from Abhay Prince only. That's why we have these two buttons here. But on the left side, Miss Pepper is logged in, but this post was created from John Doe. So we don't have those edit and delete buttons. Here we have this comment functionality. Let's say add some comment here. So comment from Miss Pepper, let's say we are doing this. So when I do this, and right side we have different thing. Let's open up the same post. We have this thing. Let's say again, I'm saying new comment from Miss Pepper. You see on the right side, we instantly have this comment. Now if I do reply from this emulator, reply from emulator, and if we say send this, on the left side you see reply from emulator, we instantly have these things. So these comments are also in real time. All right, so this is the main home page, and this internal, this is the detail page where we have uh, comment section. We have this like, comment, save, share, all these things. We have edit and delete functionality that I'm going to show you now. On details page, when we'll delete a post, it will ask us for this confirmation. We can delete this post. For this, I'll show you in a bit. But before that, I showed you that notification. Now I'm going to show you one more thing. Right now on this left section, we have this image. We have this post. If I edit it from right side, let's say I'm saying just remove entire text and just say simple bird, and I'll say post. And the left side, if you see, we are on home page, we have this list, and this text changed dynamically, right, automatically in real time. So we have real time updates here as well, and here also we have this changed. Cool. The next thing is creating a new post. So we have this plus floating action button icon here, and on the top section also we have this plus button. From here or from here we can create a new post. So we are here with creating a new post. We have same options. We can start typing with text content. Text post from Miss Peppers. We can say this. We can add a photo if we want to. Here also we are going to have same two options, pick from device and capture photo. Let's say post. We have this toast. If I refresh it, we can see this text post. On this right side, if I refresh, we can see this text post. Now this post is from here. So pay attention on this section. If I save this on this right side, we can see this notification instantly on the left side, right? Abhay Prince saved your post. Okay, now let's try to modify this post, this left post here. We'll say now we have edit and delete functionality. Let's edit this post. Here I'm going to add a new photo. Let's say pick from device. I'm going to add any photo. Let's add this photo only. We have delete photo functionality as well. We can remove this using this button. Pick this delete button. We can delete the photo as well. And if you see with add photo, right now button says add photo. If we pick a photo, now button says change photo. We can directly change the photo as well. We'll say pick from device. Let's select some photo. This book one. We'll say post. It is taking time because the we have a bigger image here that takes some time to load. And if I refresh it now, I should see this thing here. All right. Now we'll see this. We have profile page as well, right? Profile. Here we have this my post, and here we have bookmark post. So we have these posts as bookmarked. Looks like this is repeating. We might need to do something. Maybe the start index and all that. Those things we'll see. And from here also we can go to the detail page. If you see, we can tap on it. We will be able to see the details page. And this button, from here we can log out if we want to. Do you really want to log out? If we say yes, it will log us out. And then my post, these are my posts only. And from here we can change the photo as well. We'll have same options, pick from device, capture photo, and then we'll have that crop image functionality as well. All right. So this is how app looks on the Android. Then let's quickly see how the app looks on iPhone. Okay, so for this I'll go to my Mac machine. So maybe before that, let me show you the delete post functionality as well. So we are using SignalR. Sometimes if SignalR connection is closed or disconnected, then we will not have the real-time updates. So it happens sometimes, but most of the time it works. So what I'll do, I'll simply close this app from here, and then I'm going to open it again so that it creates the SignalR connection again, so that we can see this thing. On left side we have this Miss Pepper account. So I'm going to delete this post. Right now we have this post here. So first up, here also I have this. If I'll go here, select this, delete this post. Yes. From right, if you see, that post is no longer here. That got removed from here. Alright, so this thing works. Now let's quickly go to the iOS and we'll see how the app looks on iOS. Alright. I am on my Mac now, and here we have the same application. I have logged in with uh, Princess credentials, so we can see the same posts. We have like, save, subscribe. We have, when we are scrolling, we have endless scrolling here as well. And if you go to the top, we should see the same pull to refresh functionality. So I'm in the top right now. If I do this, so you see pull to refresh, we have this data. We have same like, save. These functionalities are working. We can open up details page of any of the post. If I tap on it, we can see this detail page. Here also we have the same things. We have the post information, edit and delete buttons, because this post is owned by this current logged in user only. We have these comments here. For deletion, we are you sure you want to delete? Yes and no. We have this thing. Edit functionality we have. If we edit, we have this same text. And this photo, we can change the photo. Same thing, pick from device and capture photo. We can modify the text. So update, we can post. We are here, we can see this updated text here. After that, we have the share functionality. If we share, so right now we clicked on share for this image post. So when we do this, we have this image sharing option. With this we can save this image. It will ask us for permissions and we'll save it. If we have some text only post, for example this one, if we share this one, from here we will be able to save only the text. So from image we will share image, and if we have just text we will share the text. Now plus icon, we this is simple creating a new post which I showed you already. Then we have this notification screen where we have all these notifications. Then we have this profile screen with this photo, name, email, my posts, these are my posts. And then we have bookmark screen where if we have any post bookmark then we will be able to see those posts. Now for the first one, if I click on this save, again it is going to unsave it, remove from bookmark, and then because we are on bookmarked page, this post should get removed from here. So it got removed from here because then there is no point of having that post here. This functionality is also here. Now this image here also, again we can say pick from device or capture photo. Again we can pick from device. Let's select this thing, and we are using Syncfusion's image editor for cropping the image. So we are here, we can say okay, and we can simply crop this image if we want to, and accept. We'll come back and we can see this image should be updated. It got updated here, 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 and everywhere, you see. And then we have this logout button, so confirm logout, yes or no. If we say yes, then we are on login page. Here we have same register functionality, choose photo with pick from device and capture photo, and login functionality where we have that login screen. So this is how app looks on the iPhone. Now back to Windows. Alright, so we are going to do a lot of things in here. We are going to have all these projects. We are going to use Refit client for API interaction. We are going to use custom controls here, different custom controls. We are going to use MVVM. We are going to use different templates, data template selector and all. We'll have some services for real-time updates, as I already showed you. The SignalR, we are going to use that. We are going to use MVVM with all these things. So a lot of things with, of course, minimal API endpoints, SignalR hub and all. And in this, we are going to use stored procedures as well. With entity framework core, we are going to use stored procedure for some complex operations. All right. So it is going to be a fun video series. Do let me in the comment if you are excited about this video series. All right. So let's get started.